In their natural environment, plants get the nutrients they need from the soil they're planted in. So do indoor plants, but that means we need to make sure they're in the right soil to stay healthy. And houseplants, like all plants, require specific nutrients from their soil, so any old garden soil won't cut it, as it could contain bugs and diseases. But the good news is that there are plenty of potting composts out there and they're ready for you to use. There are different types of compost to accommodate the varying needs of your houseplants. So most houseplant soil is formed of a base of loam, and this is a natural soil containing sand, clay, and decomposed matter. Loam retains moisture well without preventing decent drainage, so that means it's great to keep your plants thriving. However, it won't be any good for cacti or succulent because they're used to having a drier environment. Special cactus soil tends to mimic this by putting more sand in than typical houseplant compost, and that means it's closer to what it normally grows in. In general, it's best to avoid houseplant compost that contains peat. This is because it's a finite resource and it takes hundreds of years to develop, and it also doesn't offer anything for your plants. But there are plenty of good alternatives out there, so you really don't need to worry about finding the right compost for your plants. The next lesson is a really crucial one: what to do when you've had your plants for a couple of years and you're ready to repot them.